The Ultrabreathe, breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel. I'm Nuria Cabezas, oboe teacher at the Conservatory of Music of Murcia in Spain, and today I've prepared a video that is part of a series in which we will see breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column necessary to play any wind instrument. In today's video, we are going to see the Ultrabreathe. Let's start. While we play and perform the specific breathing exercises, we must try to be so relaxed that the air enters and leaves our body naturally. When we inspire, our ribcage expands and the diaphragm lowers. On the contrary, when we exhale, the diaphragm rises and the ribcage returns to its natural position thanks to the work of the floating ribs and the diaphragmatic muscle. The diaphragm is located under the lungs and with a convex shape. When we breathe, it goes down, helping the floating ribs to expand. The ribcage covers from the clavicle to the floating ribs, and that's where the diaphragm is located. Here, the thumbs and the indexes represent the clavicle and the rest of the fingers the floating ribs. When we breathe, and with the help of the diaphragm and the floating ribs, the ribcage expands. Doing these exercises, we will expand our lung capacity and learn to use it at 100% at all times in a controlled way and without tension. If we don't use the full percentage of our capacity, the rest will be completed with unnecessary tension and force, dificulting our breathing control when playing with our musical instrument. The Ultrabreathe is a device that helps us train our breathing muscles, increasing our lung capacity and resistance when playing with our musical instruments. The Ultrabreathe consists of an adjustable open tube with two independent threads, a bowl, and a removable plastic adapter to insert the device into the mouth and hold it with the teeth and gums. This gadget works on the principle of resistance. The more we use it, the more we increase the resistance of our breathing muscles, improving our capacity for both inhalation and exhalation. Scientific studies show that substantial improvement in endurance and lung capacity can reduce the feeling of tiredness and exhaustion, improving our quality of life. As wind instruments musicians who work with the air to play our instrument, the Ultrabreathe can help us to perform pre-studio warm-up exercises with our instrument or during the preparation some minutes before a musical performance. Next, we are going to do some practical exercises with the Ultrabreathe. Exercise number 1. We hold the Ultrabreathe with the mouthpiece up and making sure that both threads are in the most open position. The one with the cup shape will allow us to see the ball resting on the bottom, and concerning to the second thread, we will place the marker in the maximum opening position. This way, we will allow an inhalation and exhalation with the minimum resistance from the part of the Ultrabreathe, and the exercise will be developed as an initial contact with the gadget. We will perform 2 series of 30 complete breaths. Exercise number 2. We hold the Ultrabreathe with the mouthpiece up and tighten the lower thread so that it offers greater resistance during exhalation. By this way, we will work out the exhalations and the inhalations will take place in a more relaxed way. We will perform 2 series of 30 complete breaths. Exercise number 3. We will hold the Ultrabreathe with the mouthpiece up while loosening the lower thread and tightening the upper thread. By this way, we will work on inhalation by increasing the resistance offered by the gadget, and the exhalations will be carried out in a more relaxed and natural way. We will perform 2 series of 30 complete breaths. Exercise number 4. We hold the Ultrabreathe with the mouthpiece up while tightening both threads. By this way, we will work with greater resistance both inhalations and exhalations with the breathing system. We will perform 2 series of 30 complete breaths. In order to increase our lung capacity and strengthen the air column, we can plan our study with these breathing instruments. We will perform full inhalations and exhalations with the Ultrabreathe and may even reach hyperventilation. Therefore, it's necessary to have a close support point in case at any time we feel dizzy. I recommend you to perform these exercises and those of the rest of the series of videos of breathing gadgets during the routines of breathing exercises before the study with the instrument, and we can check the changes that will be reflected in our domain of the air column, lung capacity, and the sound with our instrument. This was all for today. I hope you like it. I'll meet you in all my social networks, on the YouTube channel, and on the website of MusicBayside.com, where you will find lessons, videos, blog, and many more things for you to achieve your goal. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the Music Bayside community. On the website of MusicBayside, MusicBayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel Music Bayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in Music Bayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.